Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add countdown timer to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is countdown timer. So let's go to the right corner, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, you will be in applications and you want to write in search, countdown, and you got it right here, countdown timer. Create a widget. And now you can choose between the Black Friday sale, countdown timer, urgency. Like if you want to choose this one that will be like in the top of your website, I recommend adding the code to your background of Squarespace. But if you're going to choose like this one here directly on your website, you can just choose this one and we will add it as a code. So let's continue with the template. Now you can choose the start time and end time. We can go with the type remaining time, counter per visitor. We can go even more like with minutes, and let's go like 10 minutes. Install to required position, static top banner. Again, you can choose which one you want. You can counter in labels. Just don't have seconds, only minutes. Up to you which one you're going to choose. And action after time finishes, hide timer. Button, you can again disable or enable it. If you're going to enable it, you just need to add a button link. Then you're going to have a style here that you can change, like the colors. And advanced, as your custom CSS, if you want to. Let's go to top right corner, let's click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And what you want to do is really simple. So let's say just you can click plus here, add a code, paste the code here, apply. And voila, here we got it. Really simple, really easy. And I would like go down. And it's working real well. I can preview it. It's going to adjust also on mobile. And this is how it looks like as a preview. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments. And this is how you can add a countdown timer to your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, ask me down in the description and comments. And also I recommend check all the other applications in our site if you can find them useful. I think you would. And yeah. See ya.